Oh no.
Let's go.
What the heck? Well, apparently I have bags under my eyes, even though I slept 10 hours. How are all of you fantastically fashionable friends doing? I am Levi Peters, and this is Demetrius Levi. Now, if you watch my video on the problem with Instagram fashion, you know it's mainly about clothing that is too tight, and this definitely applies to suits. But it may not be as obvious as it is with some of these clowns. It might be a little harder. Sometimes it's harder to figure out. But don't worry, my little ones. That's why I'm here to give you advice, to give you knowledge on ways to figure out and to know if your suit is too small. Let's begin now, shall we? Sign number 1, the shoulders punch up. If you got small mountains forming on your shoulders, like the shoulder pads of some medieval warrior, then it's too small in the shoulders, which is nearly impossible to alter or to tailor. So just ditch it. Sign number 2, it's rubbing against your armpits.
It's armpit.
If the fabric is rubbing up against your armpits, that means the sleeve hole is too small, and thus your suit jacket is too small for you.
Thanks, armpit.
Sign number 3, you feel tension in your upper back. A good way to tell if your back is too big for the jacket, just put out your arms like this. And if there's way too much tension, it's too small, the jacket, and it could tear at the tricep or even the back. And you don't want that. Sign number 3, the sleeves show too much shirt cuff. Now your suit sleeve should show about 1/4 of an inch to an inch of your shirt cuff. Any more than that, then the sleeves are too small. But not to worry, my friends, because you can go to a tailor and get this adjusted, and depending on how much fabric there is, they can make the sleeves a little longer.
I can fix that.
Sign number 5, your jacket shows too much of your butt. Now jackets traditionally end where your knuckles meet if you put your arms down. But these days, the trend is to have shorter jackets, and it's a little bit more casual, and it's totally fine. I prefer them that way. But if your jacket is showing like all your butt cheeks, then it's just too short. But you can get this adjusted to lengthen about 1 inch or 2.
I can fix that.
Sign number 6. Too much tension when you button it. This is the easiest one to tell. And while it's fine to have a little bit of tension when you button it, if it looks like you're part of the X-Men, then it's way too tight. You may also get these really sharp points in the lapel when you button it, and that never looks good. But that also may be a sign of cheaply made lapels too. Either or. All these cover the jackets, but the trousers, it's just more about common sense. If the fabric pulls horizontally on your booty, it's too tight. If it pulls on your thighs, it's too tight. If you're having trouble zipping up your fly, it's too tight. If you pull your pants up till you see the outline of your balls,
These kids can.
and you still have a few inches below the belly button to go, it's too tight and small. If you're sucking in your gut, it's too tight. If you're having trouble breathing, it's too tight. If you find it hard to move, it's too tight. Bam! There you go. Signs that your suit is 3 sizes too small. Hopefully if you're suffering from this, well, now you know. You can't grow your suit 3 sizes like the Grinch grew his heart, but you can go out and buy a new suit if need be. Personally, I started catching signs of these because I got pretty clunky chunky. So instead of going out and buying all new clothes, it got me motivated to get off the couch, stop drinking so much beer,
Beer.
and actually try intermittent fasting, because I have Menfluential to go to in late February, and I can't afford to buy a new suit, and I need to fit in this suit, so whatever works, I guess. If that's your motivation to get in shape, is the fact that you don't want to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on all new clothes, then good. If you did enjoy this video, please grab your now newly acknowledged too small suit, wrap it up in a tight, firm ball, and use it to press that like button. And subscribe if you haven't already. And also hit that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified the next time I drop a new video. And share this video on Twitter, Facebook, email, whatever is your go-to for sharing. I'm pretty sure someone might need this information. Actually, no, I know someone needs this information.
These people are my friends and I care about them!
But before I go, I want to know, comment down below, have you noticed any of these signs when you wear your suits? I know the button tension on mine is all too real and I'm about to join the X-Men. So just leave a comment down below if you guys have any of these problems, because as you know, this is a group thing and we are in this together forever. Well, not forever, but for a long time, hopefully. All right, folks, I will see you good people next week. Galinichta. A short one, I think. Maybe. They never are. They never are. They're always long, because I talk too much. How are all of you... Shut up, you freaking phone. How are all you fantastic... Well, how are all... Well, so how are all you fashionable fashion... Well, how are all of you fantastically fashion...
I can fix that.
I beg your pardon.